Lesson 1. Friends.
Hello, Beary. Let's go to the forest.
Wait for me, Ricey. You run so fast.
Hello there. Hi there, Miss Sunflower. How are you today? It is my friend. His name is Ricey. Yes, we are good friends. Are you friends forever?
Yes, we are friends forever. Here is your food, my best friend.
Thank you, Beary. I am very happy. Me too, Beary. Forever. Lesson 2. I feel sad. Catch the ball, Ricey.
Woof! I will catch it, Beary. Oh! The ball is in my water.
I will get it, Beary.
No! Come back. The water is too fast. I am sorry.
Ricey? Where are you? Come back! Ricey, please! Oh, Ricey! It is so quiet. Ricey is not here.
How do you feel, Beary? I'm here for you, always.
I feel sad. I feel very sad.
My friend is gone. I feel sad.
I feel a little lonely.
Lesson 3. I miss my friend. No, Beary, I do not see him. Old Owl, my friend is gone. I am sad.
He is gone to a new place, Beary.
Gone? Where is he gone?
He is near.
I don't see him, though.
Look with your heart, little one. Sleep, Beary. You will see him in a dream.
I will sleep. I want a good dream. Hello, Beary. I am in your dream. I am gone, but I am in your heart. It was a beautiful dream. I miss him.
Lesson 4. Happy and smile.
Do you remember Ricey here?
Yes, I do. We played here.
It is a good memory. I feel happy.
Do you remember the red ball, Beary?
Yes, I do. It is a sad memory.
But I smile now. He is in my heart. You have a nice smile, Beary. I know. Now give me a hug.
I have happy memories. I am not sad.
I have good memories of Ricey. That makes me so happy, sweetie. That is very good. Always smile, Beary.
Yes! A happy smile for my friend. Lesson 5.
Friends forever.
Oh, who is it? Is it Ricey?
No, Beary. It is a new little pup.
Hi! I miss Ricey, but I am happy.
How do you feel today, my son?
I feel happy, Papa. I am not sad.
Do you remember Ricey?
Yes, I do. I remember my good friend. Oh, my sweet cub.
He is gone, but the memory is here.
I saw him in a dream. He smiled.
That's wonderful.
We are friends forever. I will always remember.
Goodbye. Remember to smile with your friends.